Hey, what's up people? Welcome to another video. In this video I'll show you how to create an admin email for your WordPress website or your website. So you can see in my WordPress general settings I have already updated the administrator email as admin@tipswithalam.com. You can change this to your own name or contact at your website.com. It's purely your choice, and I'll leave this as default admin at mywebsite.com. So to do that, just log into your cPanel, and it's very easy. You'll see this email account in the email section. Just click on that, and here click on create, and select the username. I'll select the same username that I have given. It will be admin@tipswithalam.com, and make sure to set a strong password so that you can access it from webmail or a different client as well. And then once this is done, click on creating email account. And once this is created, you don't have to do anything. If you want, you can click on manage, and here you can change the settings like the password or the storage. The storage depends on your hosting plan. I'm using a very basic one, so you can also delete from here if you have made a mistake and if you don't want this email. So the next step is forwarding this email to your Gmail or Yahoo or any email of your choice. So click on forwarders, add forwarders, and here enter the email that you wish to redirect. So I'll enter admin@mydomain.com, and then select the email that you want to forward the emails, and make sure you click on add forwarders. That's it. You can see that we're getting a message here that all the emails sent to this address will be redirected, will be copied to the new email address that of your choice. So that's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe. Bye bye.